So I want to talk about a teacher quality. So if someone want to become a teacher, so apart from his study, his qualification, he should enhance his personality and skills also, right? First of all, he should, if someone want to become a good teacher in favorite one teacher of his students, so he should
Mhm.
increase his.
So we are meeting first time. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, why not? My name is Deepa. I'm from Gwalior,
Hmm.
MP. If I talk about my qualifications, I have done PG degree in science and English literature as well. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading books and listening music and dancing. And if I
Hmm.
talk about my profession, so I'm a teacher. Nowadays, I'm teaching English and computer as well. That's all
Okay,
about
now
me.
my turn. I am Tanya Singh. I'm joining you from Pink City, Jaipur. I am a homemaker and I have a daughter also. If I talk about my academics, so I have completed my master's degree from Meerut University. And right now I'm
Mm.
living here, Jaipur, with my family. And my hobbies is watching good movies, playing badminton, singing. That's all about me. So my first question is, like being a good teacher, what are the special qualities required?
Yeah, actually, if we talk about a teacher, so
Not
a
seated period,
teacher.
not seated period, not seated period. Other qualities like teacher should be have some patience, some other qualities.
Mhm. Yeah. So I want to talk about a teacher quality. So if someone want to become a teacher, so apart from his study, his qualification, he should enhance his personality and skills also, right? First of all,
Mm,
he should, if someone want to become a good teacher in
mm,
a favorite one teacher of his students, so he should
mm,
increase his
mm,
communication skills. And first of
mm,
all, he should increase his communication skill, because without communication skill, we cannot uh, connect with our students in good way, right?
mm,
And second thing is
mm,
there, uh, I have a experience about 17 or 18-year experience of in teaching line. So
mhm,
I realized that patience is very essential. If you have a
mm,
patience, if you have patience, so you can maintain every situation. You can manage every situation, because you have to teach different type students.
mm,
Sometimes some students are very naughty, very
mm,
mischievous, and some students are not good at study, at writing. So you have to manage them, and you have to
mm,
handle every situation. Many students,
mm,
they are making fun of you, they are laughing at you
mm,
while teaching. So you have to manage this situation. So patience is very necessary, very essential part of your journey. And
mm,
other thing is that you have to curious about learning, right? If you want to become a good teacher, so you have to read a lot every day, and you have to learn
mm,
different things every time. You cannot think, okay, I have a good job, I'm a teacher, so I know everything. It is a wrong
mm,
perspective. Okay, so
mm,
when we want to a good teacher and a favorite teacher of our students, so we have to learn every time, every
mm,
day we have to learn something. Yes.
mm. Did you also watch like there are some teachers who are very favorite of all children? If they are not able to come
Mhm.
school, some other regions, they are missing their teacher.
Yeah.
But there are some teachers, they are very strict. Children don't like that kind of teacher. Did you also observe
Mhm.
this thing in your school, in your class?
Yeah. Yes, actually, when I started my teaching journey, that time I used to teach in a government school. That time, actually, that time I used to come. That time I was studying. I was doing MSc previous, sorry, MSc final year, and
Mm,
I have that time I used to do job as a guest faculty in a government school as a science teacher.
mm,
Okay, so that
mm,
time I had to face many problems, because those children, those students were very big age students, about
mm,
ninth standard and 10th standard, and I was also teenage, I can say.
mm,
So I
mm.
had to face many problems and struggled. I
It
had
was your,
struggled.
you had joined as a guest teacher
Yes,
that time.
that time I had joined as
Mm,
a guest faculty, but
mm,
I had sorry, I did job for 2 years as a guest faculty in a government school, and that time I had to face many problems. And but instead of I had learned many things. I
mm,
had learned many
mhm,
things from those days. Okay, and
mhm,
after marriage, I came in Gwalior, and I joined a private school. So in this city,
mm,
I faced different type situations and different type
mm,
struggles. So I learned different type things. Okay, but
mm,
in my life, I have many experiences. I can say many students are were many more mischievous, and many times they make me troubles. And
mm, mm,
uh, if I talk about my earlier times, I was very angry person. So many times I was ready to beat them. But now I
mm,
changed my personality totally, because
mm,
after
mm,
more experience, I thought that it is not good, and
mm,
I can handle every situation. I can say
mm,
I can handle every situation with my conversation, with my motivation, and my experience. From my
mm.
experience, I can handle without beating and without torturing them.
What was the problem with the 9th, 10th, and 11th grade student
Yes,
when you were
in
teaching them?
yes,
Mm,
I have spent 4 and 5 years
mm,
in
mm,
ninth and 10th standard student.
mm,
They
mm,
are very mischievous, and they are they are teenage.
mm,
Okay, so
mm,
they have different types of problems. Like that time their hormones are changing, so
mm, mm,
their thinking process is different from other students, and they are attracting with each other, like boys and girls are
mm,
attracting with
mm.
each other. So
Some peer
but
problem,
yes,
peer problem.
and mhm. and uh, that time they are not focusing on their study. And
Hmm. Hmm.
when I told them, beta, please, you should focus on your study, but they are not, that they were not listening me. And they were interested making girlfriend and boyfriend, and they used to write love letters also. And
Hmm.
sometimes I know, I remember an incident. A ninth standard girl,
Hmm. Hmm.
she brought makeup items in her school bag. And while
Hmm.
teaching my classes, I was teaching, and she was applying nail paint and lipstick.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
yes, so I scolded her, and I
Hmm.
sneezed her makeup item, and keep my in my bag, my bag.
Hmm.
So after completing classes, she met me outside of school, and
Hmm.
she told me, ma'am, you did wrong, and you have
Hmm.
to face problems because
Hmm.
of it. So I
Hmm.
told,
She was
tell
threatening to
my,
you. She was threatening to you.
yeah. But I was not
Hmm.
afraid about it. And
Hmm.
after back my home, and I called my principal and my school manager, and I explained everything to them. And
Hmm.
next day, in the prayer assembly, principal and manager called her, and
Hmm.
they they scolded, and they explained that girl.
Hmm.
And that girl, fortunately, that girl understood very well everything, and she
Hmm.
apologized me.
Hmm.
Yeah, so these are things happened during the teaching line. Yes.
Like you have worked government and private both. So did you find
Yeah,
any difference,
yeah.
government and private?
Many difference are there when we are teaching in government sector, government schools. So government schools atmosphere is different, and
Hmm,
private schools atmosphere is different, because in government schools there are many students. They are all Many students are coming there. Always, sorry, all students, almost students are belong to poor families and farmers family. But in
hmm,
private schools, every type of students are coming, every society, they
hmm,
belong to every society. So
hmm,
in government schools, this is very difficult to handle.
hmm,
Teenage students, this is
hmm,
very
hmm,
difficult. But private
hmm,
schools, principal can understand you, and manager can understand you, and we can call their parents also, and we
hmm,
can complain them. But in government school, everyone, sorry, no one can, no one is, no one is ready to listen you.
hmm, hmm,
You have
hmm,
to you have to manage everything by yourself.
hmm,
This is very
hmm.
difficult, but
In the private
fortunately,
school, they are doing PTM, but in the
yeah.
government school, they are doing PTM or not?
No, that time, nowadays I don't have idea, but that time this is not available. This was not available. Mhm.
Hmm, yes. And do you find any, infrastructure, like government school infrastructure is different from private school? Did you find any difference?
Yeah, absolutely different. Private schools has different infrastructure, like their buildings are also
Hmm,
different. They provide every facility for their students, like good sitting arrangements and good
hmm,
washroom and good
hmm,
fence and and every facility they provides. But in government sector schools, nowadays it is okay, condition is very well in nowadays.
hmm,
But if I talk about earlier time, about 15 and 16 year ago,
hmm,
their condition was very lost. Their
hmm,
condition was very
hmm,
lost. Even I was a teacher, but to that time I have to face problem there was no good washroom. Even
hmm,
there was drinking water available. But now it's
hmm,
okay. My brother is also a government teacher, so he tell me many times, nowadays condition is very good.
hmm.
Mhm.
I was watching news of some state, and they were, struggling for a washroom. There was
Yeah,
no
yeah.
washroom for the, yes.
For female teachers or girls, it is very, very
Hmm.
big problem. Mhm.
Yes. And like they have no room. They were studying in the open area. There are so many
Hmm.
problems they were showing. Yes.
Hence, electricity was not available, and in the
Hmm.
summer season, we have to face problem because of
Hmm.
sweating and
Hmm.
uh, yes, suffocation are there, and many
Yes.
students are from rural area, and means farmer, they are belong to farmers family. So many times we have to face smell, and
Hmm.
hygiene is a big issue. Hygiene is a big issue.
Hmm.
But in it is
Hmm.
school, they are cleaning their building every day. Classrooms are clean every day, and they are using phenyl and acids and floor
I think
cleaner and
these are the regions. So
Mhm.
most of the parents who have good amount of money, good budget, they don't want to send their kids in government school. These are the main
Yeah,
reasons.
absolutely, yeah.
Yes. And if I talk about like government hospitals, they are also facing same problems.
Yeah, definitely. Government is doing. We cannot say it is a problem of
Hmm,
government. Government is doing many things, but
hmm,
it is a problem of corruption, and
hmm,
the system is not good. Government, we cannot
hmm.
blame any government. We
Huh.
cannot.
Yes.
Because government is taking good steps. They are running many operations and
Yes.
many things.
They should
But
appoint some person. who can keep an
Mhm.
eye on these, government hospital and schools also, because they are sending funds.
Yeah, yeah.
But some of the staffs are not using, funds. They are using funds just for
Problem
their,
is not.
personal use.
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Actually, everyone wants to take a government job. Why? Problem
Hmm.
is there. Everyone wants a government job because everyone think that when I got a government job, so there is no need to do
Hmm.
work.
Hmm. Yes,
Yes.
but they
But
don't
if I
want their kids in
Mhm,
government school, and they don't want any medicine, anything from the government hospital.
mhm,
Yes, because in the government hospital, mostly government hospital, the staff behavior is not good. In some
mhm.
cases, I
Yes,
watch
yes.
some news. Yes, they
Mhm.
are not giving proper
Reason is
treatment.
there.
Sometimes we watched in some reputed government hospital, like patients are lying on the ground. They have no bed.
Mhm.
Yes. If you have
Yeah.
not good approach, they will
Mhm,
not, give you bad some, proper facility. They will not give you in the government
mhm,
hospital.
mhm. You are saying absolutely
Yes.
right. Yes, yes.
And if you have good approach, they will listen to you, and they will give you good treatment, I can say.
Mhm.
Like,
Yes,
if
yes,
I talk
definitely.
about, like, our politicians, sometimes
Mhm,
they are using government hospital, but mostly they are using private hospital for their treatment, and sometimes they are going abroad also for their treatment.
yes,
And
yes.
for public, they are saying you should use, government hospital, government school, but they are not using these policies on their family.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So it is called the
Yes.
corruption.
Yes, it is
First
called
you should
corruption.
first you should send your kids in government school, and first you should take the service of government hospital. Then you should give advice.
Definitely, definitely. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Everyone
So
wants
anything
actually.
else you want to add it in this conversation?
Sorry, ma'am. Um,
I'm saying anything. Would you like to add it in this conversation?
yes, yes. If you want to ask something, so you can ask. Otherwise, we can make a normal conversation, general conversation. Yes.
I think we have discussed a lot. Now we should wind up this session. We have talked about government sector,
Okay. Okay.
private sector, schools. Yes. Okay.
Yes, yes. If you
So bye
have time,
bye.
so we can make this one again.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, we will do again conversation. Yes, I will send you message. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.